Leadpages review, pricing and product features. Leadpages, more than just a landing page builder. If you're a small business owner who's looking to finally bring your product or service online, but lack the technical know-how to get things started, Leadpages has all the solutions for you. Leadpages takes away all the complexities of building websites and landing pages, allows you to easily connect with your target audience, and helps convert leads into sales. On top of all that, Leadpages lets you keep a close eye on your progress, with their real-time tracking and unlimited split tests. Creating an online presence. Every business owner knows that having a dynamic and robust online presence immensely helps in capturing a target market. Potential consumers should be able to easily find and subsequently choose you over your competitors through your online presence across all significant platforms. Leadpages provides their subscribers with all the tools they need to build their online presence. They have a library of over 200 ready-to-use, high-converting templates that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also perform well whether your audience access them through a desktop or their mobiles. Once you've selected the perfect template to use, easily drag and drop all the marketing elements you need to get those leads. Moreover, Leadpages' customizable templates are conveniently categorized by industry. This means that there is a template that is specifically suited for your type of business. With Leadpages, your online presence is truly guaranteed to work for you, without needing to pay someone else to design, code, and manage it for you. Collect and convert. Leadpages, creating an online presence isn't just about the aesthetics. Leadpages helps you utilize your websites and landing pages in collecting leads and converting them into actual sales. Watch your email list expand exponentially, without worrying about page view limits, website traffic, and lead collection. Genuine support. You're familiar with all the terms or just hearing them for the first time, there's no need to worry. Leadpages offers the best customer support experience from day one, fixing any issues, while walking you through every step needed to reach your goals. And while Leadpages helps you do it yourself with all the tools that you could possibly need, they also back you up with their knowledge, skill, and experience so your websites and landing pages perform as optimally as possible. Pricing. See for yourself just how effective Leadpages will be for you by taking advantage of their 14-day trial period. Start creating your online presence and building your contact list. And if you find yourself impressed with their offerings and services, they offer different packages based on what you need to boost your business. Leadpages is the perfect solution to start growing your small business with its robust and dynamic tools, excellent customer support. Do everything yourself and save your resources instead of hiring web developers and designers. Customize according to your needs and watch as your leads consistently turn into sales and your products or services increasingly become in demand. Thank you for watching. Please click the link below to learn more about Leadpages.